Hi dear students, welcome back to computer science class. We have already learned special operators in SQL like, between and, in, like, and putting text on document and aliasing, giving another name for columns as well as table in our previous session. And today we have two very important topics for discussion. Of course, these are interesting topics as well. The first one is sorting in SQL, and next we will look at aggregate functions, or we can call it as group functions in SQL. So let's start with sorting in SQL. Actually, do you know what sorting is? Sorting means arranging the elements in a column or in a table in some specific order, right? Either in ascending order or in descending order. So sorting is a process of arranging or organizing the elements in either in ascending order or in descending order. So here in SQL we have the facility of arranging columns or the elements. We can say the elements. Okay. So there are two orders, ascending order and descending order, and we are using two keywords, ASC and DESC. ASC and DESC. ASC stands for ascending order and DESC stands for descending order. You know, the default order is ASC. Okay, the default sorting order is ASC, and we are making use of the clause order by clause. Okay, order by, and we know we are using it with select command, and it does not make any change in the original table. As we know, select command, all the keywords or all the operators or anything used with select is just for the purpose of displaying, right? So sorting doesn't make any change in the original table, the actual table, but in spite it just give what the display, or we just give, means SQL gives the display of these elements, okay, to the user. That's it. Okay, meaning no change at all. Okay, yes. So let's move on. Order by clause, it's used to sort data in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. Okay, it's not only based on one column, we can make use of one or more columns, meaning we can sort the elements in a table just by using one column or more than one column. Okay, yes. ASC is the default order, and if you don't specify any keyword ASC or DSC just after order by clause, it means it will be what taken as ASC, ascending. And if you want to make it in descending order, you have to use DESC. You know what actually ascending is? Ascending order is the increasing order, lowest to highest, right? And descending is the decreasing order, highest to lowest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what ascending is. Lowest to biggest means highest. Okay. And descending means highest to lowest, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes. Then here is a syntax: select column list from table name where condition. Of course, where clause is optional. Order by column name ASC or DSC. We know the syntax is select column list from table name. Select column list from table name where condition. Order by what? Column name. Actually, we are sorting, or we apply order by for a column or for more than one column, right? So just after order by clause we have column name or column names. Then we left the keyword either ASC or DSC. Okay, if we are doing in ascending order, ASC is not a must. Okay, we can avoid it. Yes. Here we have two examples. The first one: select roll number, comma, name, comma, marks from student, order by name. What will be the result? It display roll number, name and marks of students. Okay. Actually, we'll have an original table with some irregularities, of course. Okay. It display data in the order we enter, right? Yes, entered. Okay, so it display roll number, name and marks of students, from students. Okay, of those students, in which order? Order by name. Order by name in the sense, order by name ASC. We don't have any keyword here just after name, ASC or DSC, so it will be taken as ASC. So it display roll number, name and marks of students in ascending order of name, right? Ascending order of name. Okay, yes. It means increasing order of name. Okay, A, B, C, D. Yes, Adul, Bibin, Sia, not Zia. Okay, Catherine. Okay, those kind of things. Yeah. So this is what actually happens with this here with this command. It display roll number, name and marks of students. Okay, in increasing order of name, or in ascending order of name. Okay, ascending order of name, A, B, C, D, F, G. Okay, yes. Then now we have select roll number, comma, name, comma, marks from student, order by marks, DSC. Order by marks, DSC, comma, name. Actually, here we are making use of two columns. Okay, two columns, multiple columns for sorting, and the first column is marks, and the order of marks is DSC, and name is ASC. You know, marks will be sorted in descending order, and name will be sorted in ascending order. Hope you get it. Yes, it display the same roll number, name and marks of students, okay, based on what? Descending order of marks. Descending order of marks means highest marks will be displayed first, right? 100, 99, 98, 90, okay, yes. Then name in ascending order, because we don't have any keyword, so ASC will be taken as default, okay. So name in ascending order, what? Increasing order, A, B, C, D, F, right? Marks in descending, that is 100, 99, 98, 97, 95, okay. Then name in ascending, what? A, B, C, D, Adul, Bibin, Catherine, okay, yes. So these are the two ways to apply order by clause, okay. We can apply it for single column, we have seen it in the case of order by name, and we can at the same time we can apply it for multiple columns, okay. Yes, in the second case we have seen marks in descending order, name in ascending order. Hope you get the concept, right? So order by clause is one of the most important clause in SQL, okay, used with select command, and it's used to sort, or it's used to arrange the elements in some specific order, either in ascending order or in descending order, okay. And we have two keywords, clauses or keywords used here along with order by clause, that is ASC and DSC. ASC stands for ascending order and DSC stands for descending order, okay. Yes, the default order is ASC, and if you want to make it in descending order, you have to apply DESC keyword, okay. Then ASC means ascending, that means increasing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. And DSC means decreasing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay, yes. Then we have applied it for single column, select roll number, name, marks from student, order by name, that means it display roll number, name and marks of students in ascending order of name, A, B, C, D, okay. Then order by marks, DSC name, select roll number, comma, name, comma, marks from student, order by marks, DSC name, that means it display roll number, name and marks of students in descending order of marks and ascending order of name, okay. Hope you get the concept, right? Yes. Now let's move on to sorting on column alias, okay. Sorting on column alias, you know what aliasing is? Aliasing means giving another name, a temporary name, or we can say renaming, okay. Yeah, on a column we have an example here, select roll number, comma, name, comma, marks as marks obtained. Here we rename marks as marks obtained, okay. Here marks is the original name and marks obtained is the alias name, and the specialty is we can apply marks obtained, the alias name after or for order by clause. You can see it from student, order by marks obtained. We are not adding order by marks because we have given a new name, okay. We have given an alias name for marks, that is marks obtained, and we apply that marks obtained, that alias name after order by clause. Hope you get it. And in which order? Of course ascending order, right? That's a default order, yes. So which prints what? Marks in ascending order, right? 90, 91, 92, 93, okay, yes. So this is what actually sorting on what aliasing is, okay. Sorting on column alias is select roll, it display roll number, name and marks as marks obtained, okay. Marks obtained will be the column name, yeah. From student, order by marks obtained, and we do make use of the alias name for order by, okay, for order by clause. Hope you get it. And it will be what? Display roll number, name and marks obtained in ascending order, right? In ascending order of marks obtained, yes. So this is all about sorting in SQL, okay. Sorting in SQL using order by clause and ASC and DSC keywords, okay. Yes. Now let's move on to aggregate functions, okay. Aggregate function plays a vital role here in SQL. Actually aggregate functions can also be termed as group functions, okay. Group functions. And so far we have worked with either single column or either single row or multiple rows or the entire table, right? Either single row or multiple rows or entire table. And with aggregate functions or group functions, these are functions that work on the single column, or we can say multiple rows, okay, multiple rows or the entire the table itself, okay. Yes. Plus the specialties, it gives only one result per group, okay. It gives only one result per group. That's a importance or the specialty of aggregate functions, okay. Yes. So these are the functions, and group functions which group records rather than entire table, okay. That's a specialty, which group records rather than the entire table. Then these are the functions max, which returns maximum or highest value. Min, that returns minimum or lowest value. Then sum returns sum of values. Then average returns average of values, and sum and average can be applied only to numeric type, or okay, numeric type. Then count, return the total number of values, return the total number of values. Okay, the first one is min, max. Max means maximum or largest value. It can be applied to numeric, it can be applied to date. Okay, yes, string as well. Then min is used for returning what, minimum or lowest value, which can be applied for all this. Okay, what, numeric value, string value, and date value. Okay, then sum and average. Sum is used to get the sum and average is to get the average, and it can be applied only for numeric value. Okay, then count returns the total number of elements, total number of values. Okay, yes. So let's move on to all these aggregate functions. Okay, one by one. First one is max. We have an example. Select max of salary from employee. Select max of salary from employee. What will be the column name? Of course, max of salary, because we have selected max of salary. That will be the column name. Okay, and it display the maximum, the highest salary of the employee. Okay, it display only the highest salary of the employee, 1 lakh. Okay, yes, only one result will be displayed. That is max salary will be the column name, and there will be only one value under the column name max salary. That will be the highest salary. Okay, yes. The same way min salary. Select min of salary from employee. That means the column name will be min of salary, right? Min of salary, and it display the least. That means the lowest value, lowest salary, 50,000. Okay, yes. So the column name will be min salary, and there will be only one value, as we have seen in the case of max of salary. Okay, yes, 50,000. Okay, then sum. String and date are not defined. Okay, as I've already told you, string and date cannot be applied with sum, because we can't find sum. Okay, only for numeric. Select sum of salary from employee. Actually, there are 30 employees. Okay, suppose there are 30 employees, and it finds the total of all the salaries. Okay, 30 employees salaries. Okay, salary of employee 1 plus salary of employee 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 30. Okay, yes. So there will be only one value, and the column name will be sum of salary. Next one is average. It can also be not applied to string and date. Okay, string and date are not defined here also in the case of average. And select average of salary from employee. Okay, select average. First it finds the sum, and it finds the average, right? So it is very easy. Average salary, AVG of salary will be the column name, and it display only one value. Okay, it finds the average. Now we have count. Count is another useful function, and it has three formats: count star, count column name, and count of distinct column name. Okay, star means all, we know, all records, right? Yes. Select count of star from employee. Total rows will be displayed. For example, we have 30 rows, right? We have 30 rows, and select count of star from employee. How many? What will be the value? The column name will be, of course, count star. Okay, count star, and there will be only one value, that is 30. Okay, count of star will be the column name, and the value is 30, because we have 30 rows. All the rows will be displayed using count star. Star means all. Then count of, we can say this. Okay, we can consider this. Count of, select count of city from employee. Select count of city from employee. How many cities will be selected? Okay, all the cities, right? Duplication will also be taken. 30 cities, right? Yes. But select, okay, count of city will be the column name. Okay, then select count of distinct city from employee. Distinct, we have already applied distinct. Distinct means unique, avoiding duplication, eliminating duplication, right? So select count of distinct city, meaning the column name will be count of distinct city. Suppose Delhi, Bangalore, Kochi, Jamshedpur. Okay, okay, there are a lot of cities, right? Kolkata, okay, Bombay, okay, Bombay, yeah. Okay, there will be, actually we have 30 employees. They may be working in different places, right? And all these places, 5 places, right? So what will be the value of count of distinct city? It will be 5, right? Duplication will be avoided. That means many employees may be working in Delhi, right? Many are working in Bangalore, many are working in Chennai, many are working in Kochi, right? Yes, many are working in Bombay. So it avoids duplication. Okay, only the distinct values will be printed, and the difference is count of city will print 30, and count of distinct city will print only 5 or 6, right? Yes. So this is how we can apply count function, and count is function having what, some variations, of course. Count of what, star means all total number of rows, right? Count means total number of, right? Total number of rows, all the rows will be printed, that value. Then count of city, okay, count of column name, no duplication will be taken, okay, then count of distinct city, no duplication, okay, yes. Then aggregate functions and null values, of course null values will be avoided, eliminated. Null values are ignored by aggregate functions or group functions, we know that, right? Null values will not be considered when we work with aggregate functions or group functions. So these are the aggregate functions, okay. Let's have a quick revision. Aggregate functions or group functions work on a group of values and give single result per group. Max, maximum or minimum, highest value, min, minimum, lowest, sum of average of count, total number of values, okay. Select max of salary from employee, max of salary will be the column name and it display the maximum, the highest value, 1 lakh, okay. Then min of salary, min of salary will be the column name, 50,000, okay. Then string and data not defined, select sum of salary, all the employees, 30 employees. Then average of all the salaries, right, average salary, okay. Then count has 3 different formats. Count star means all the 30 will be the result, okay. Then count of city meaning 30 and count of distinct city 5 or 6, okay, yes. Then aggregate functions and null values, of course null value will be ignored by the at the time of applying or by the aggregate functions or group functions, okay. So these are the topics for the day. We have completed sorting in SQL, that is using order by clause, using ASC and DSC keywords and aggregate functions or group functions, okay. Yes, these are commonly used SQL commands, okay, or what clauses or functions in a select command along with select command. It is very important for you, both theory and practical. So just have a thorough knowledge, thorough understanding of the theory part first, okay, then just go to practicals, okay. Just try it out, of course, don't miss it. It's very important, okay. So this is all for the time being. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Take care.